Happy last day of July, actually. Today is Sunday, July 31st of 2022. We are in the Contemporary. We are waiting for our table at Chef Mickey's. We had a reservation at 10:50 and now they told us to wait. So who knows what's going on. But hopefully not too much longer because I am hungry. This morning we spent our morning, or part of the morning, packing because we did check out of the hotel today. It was really nice being in a Disney bubble for 3 days. So yeah, I think that's it. After this, we're gonna go grocery shopping. So we have food at the timeshare, and then wait for my parents. They are on the plane right now. They do have a layover, so it's gonna take them a little bit longer to get here. They probably won't get here until like the afternoon. But yeah, I'm so excited. Selena,
Hi.
who are you excited to see?
Mickey.
Yeah, what about you, Natalia?
Minnie.
Yeah, you want to see Minnie? Yeah. Okay. Oh, you're taking a video. Oh my god. I thought you were taking a picture. We just sat down. We ordered drinks. I forgot it was family style now, which is way better for us. We don't have to take turns.
Mickey, Minnie, Donald, and Pluto, and
Mickey? Okay.
And Minnie.
Mickey twice? Are we gonna see Mickey twice? Okay,
Maybe.
maybe. Alrighty. Yay!
There you go, baby. Oh, wow.
Look! Natalia! Look!
Oh, is it Donald Duck? Wow. Mickey. All right, thank you, girls. Smile, Mickey.
Smile, girls!
Oh, wow, thank you.
Hey!
Girls, let me get a good picture. Mickey. Natalia,
Natalia, look!
stop looking at Mickey's shoes.
She's so fascinated by your chef shoes.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. Today is Friday, August 26th of 2022. It is about 8:30 at night. I am sitting in my office and I am editing day 4 of our Disney vlogs, our Florida trip. I realized because of the craziness of that day that I never filmed freaking Invisalign. I never filmed an outro for that day because that day was just insane. Basically, in a nutshell, we left a Disney resort. We went to Chef Mickey's in the Contemporary, and then right after that we went to Costco in the area, and it was packed. I don't remember ever seeing a Costco that packed. Then we went to Walmart, and again it was packed. And yeah, I usually don't like going to Walmart. If I could avoid it, I will just go to Target or Aldi, but Walmart was the closest grocery store to the resort, so we had to go there. And then there was a whole fiasco with the room that I will not go into because you will see it all tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow, but in my next vlog, because I filmed it all. Basically, the room was really, really gross, and we ended up switching rooms to a newer building, thank God, because that first room was disgusting. I barely slept that night because I swear, like, I don't even know. Like, I just felt gross sleeping in that room. So yeah, that's what happened. But anyways, Chef Mickey's was really, really fun, and I really liked how they do family style now and not just like buffet style, because then we didn't have to worry about who's gonna get up first and who's gonna get plates for the girls and yada yada, and then Selena following us and then Natalia wanting to follow us. So it was really nice. This Disney trip was one of the best Disney trips we've ever taken. I really enjoyed being in the Disney bubble, and I really missed being at the resort the week that we were at the timeshare. Don't get me wrong, I still like the timeshare, and we were in Florida, so that was always a plus instead of being here in this state. But the Disney bubble was amazing. So hopefully next time we could save up more money and go for longer, and maybe go to like a moderate resort this time. So we'll see. Though, Pop was really nice. I really enjoyed that resort. Anyways, I'm dragging this on. Thank you all so much for watching our super mini vlog of just going to Chef Mickey's, basically. And watch out for day 5 of our trip soon, and you will see more content that day. But until then, thank you so much for following along, and please like and subscribe and share and comment and all the fun things if you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys. Bye.